Let's count the little ducks. 1 little duck. 1, 2. 2 little ducks. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little ducks. Great job counting. See you next time, little ducks.